In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to reset or change your Netflix password. Let's get started. First, launch your Netflix app or visit the official website of Netflix. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Select your profile, then go to My Netflix or click your profile icon and choose account. In your account settings, find the security or membership and billing section and select change password. Enter your current password, then type a new password and confirm it by entering it again. For better security, choose a strong password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and special characters. If you want to sign out of all devices currently using your account, check the option to require all devices to sign in again with the new password if available. Finally, click Save or Update to apply your changes. If you have forgotten your current password, return to Netflix sign-in page and select Forgot Password. Follow the instructions sent to a registered email address or phone number to reset your password and regain access to your account. And that's it. Now you know how to change or reset your Netflix password. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.